Hi everyone. Today we learn about a new topic. Okay, so do you know what is the basic structural unit of an organism? Yes, it is cell. Okay, so cell is the structural unit of organism or the fundamental unit of life. So which means it is a basic structure of an organism. Okay, all the living things are made up of cells. Okay, it is the basic structure. Here we can see some comparison with the cell, how the arrangement of cell inside the organism. Let's see. Cell may be compared to bricks. So here we just compare the cell to a bricks. Okay, bricks are assembled to make building. Yes. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of an organism or of every organism. So here you can see the arrangement of bricks. Yes. In the same pattern, the cells are assembled to make the body of every organisms. Okay. So let's move to the next one. The cells was first discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay, the cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay, so cell discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. So here let's compare a brick wall and an onion peel cell. It is a microscopic structure. Okay, so here we just compare a brick wall. Can you see the arrangement of these bricks? Yes. Please observe the onion peel too. What happening here? Yeah, both arrangements look like similarity. Yes, the bricks wall and the onion peel arrangement or the cell arrangement is same. Similarity is there. So here we arranged a bricks one by one. The same manner in onion peels we can see the cells are arranged like this. So there is a similarity. So just we conclude that what? Yeah, both bricks in a building and cell in the living organisms are basic structural units. Okay, so this cell is the basic structural unit of an organism. Okay, but in the case of building, when we build a or when we building any house or anything, what happen? The building have a different color or shapes or different designs, or we arranged the bricks in different manner. Okay, the same bricks we arranged in different designs. In the same way, cells are the basic unit of life. Okay, it is a basic or fundamental unit. Uh, the cells are arranged one by one and make tissues and blast tissues, a group of tissues. They act as the same function and it developed into organ. Okay, so cell what happen, they group of cells that do the same function, we can call tissue, and tissue group of tissues it act as a organ. Okay, organ. And what happened to organ? The organs together make a organism or organ system, and after that organ system, and after that this organ system, which together we can call what? Organisms. Okay, organisms. So here the cell join together to form tissues, and tissues join together to form organs, and that organ join together we can call organ systems, and at last this organ system joined to all body that we can call a living organism. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Here the building through though built of similar bricks have different design, shape and size. Yes, we know that. And similarly in the living world, organisms differ from one another, but all are made up of cells. Okay. So once again, the building though built of similar bricks have different designs, shapes and size. Similarly, what happened in the living world, organisms differ from what one another, but all are made up of cells. Okay, so let's move to the next one. And the size of cells. Actually, the the cells are microscopic in structure. We can't see with our unaided eye. We cannot see with our naked eye or unaided eye. We need microscope, then only we can observe the cell. Okay, but exceptional case. What's the exception? Let's see. But the eggs, okay, eggs of a hen represent a single cell and is big enough to be seen by the unaided eye. So egg, you know, egg, hen's egg, what? Yes, that is a single cell, but we can see with our naked eye or unaided eye. Yes, the largest egg or single cell is the ostrich egg. Okay, and but in the case of some organisms like bacteria, viruses, or we can call this group of the small minute organisms, we can call it what? Yeah, microorganisms. In the case of microorganism, these all are made up of single cell. Okay, not a group of cell, single cell. Okay, so this is a single cell, but we can't see with our naked eye or unaided eye. We need, when we observe these viruses and bacteria, any other microorganism, we need a microscope. With the help of microscope only we can see or we can observe these single cells. Okay, so these are the exceptional case, or when we observe our human cell. Okay, when we observe a single structure or simple human cell, we need what? Yeah, microscope. Okay, when we observe blood cells, we should need a microscope, then only we can observe, because the cell size is very minute. But exception is egg. Okay, so let's conclude this topic. What? There are millions of organisms. They they are of different shapes and sizes. Their organs also vary in shape, size and number of cells. Yes, so there are millions of living organisms. We can't imagine millions of organisms there in our surroundings or in our world. They are they are of different shape and size. Their organs also vary in shape, size and number of cells. But this all difference, or all this living organism which is made up of the fundamental unit or fundamental units called cell. Okay, so today we learn about a cell basic thing. Okay, why it is called fundamental unit of life and what are the organelles or the inside or the structure and function of the cell. We will discuss our next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.